Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to use the Notion Web Clipper extension to save content from the web directly into your Notion workspace. First, install the Notion Web Clipper extension for your browser from the Chrome Web Store or your browser's extension store. Once installed, open any web page you want to save. Click the Notion Web Clipper icon in your browser toolbar. Then log into your Notion account if prompted. Then choose the workspace and the page where you want to save the content. You can add tags or select a database to organize the clipped content. Click Save and the page or snippet will appear in your Notion workspace instantly. This is perfect for collecting research, articles or inspiration without leaving your browser. And that's that guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.